Hey everyone, today's lesson is common expressions. Make sure you watch the video until the end. Fit as a fiddle means healthy. Hit the road means leave. Piece of cake means very easy. Last straw means final problem. Put your foot down means be firm. Out of the blue means unexpectedly. Keep an eye on something means watch carefully. At the drop of a hat means instantly. In the same boat means same situation. As right as rain means perfectly fine. Walking on eggshells means be careful. Cut corners means do something cheaply. Burn bridges means ruin a relationship. Sit on the fence means unable to decide. Get a second wind means energized again. When pigs fly means never going to happen. Fall head over heels means deeply in love. Throw caution to the wind means take a risk. Devil's advocate means argue against a point. Burning the candle at both ends means overwork. Take it with a grain of salt. Be skeptical. Beating around the bush means avoiding the main issue. Kill two birds with one stone means achieve two things. Let the chips fall where they may means accept outcome. Birds of a feather flock together means similar people stick to each other. Okay, that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe for daily lessons and contents. Hit the like button as well, please. Leave your comments down below. These lessons may be helpful as well. See you soon.